Hello everyone, my name is Ananya Bora of class 7 and today I am going to speak about how plants move water, nutrients and sugars throughout their structures. I will be focusing on the two main types of vascular tissues, that is xylem and phloem. Firstly, what is transportation in plants? It refers to the movement of water, nutrients, sugars and other substances of the plants. This process is essential for plant survival and growth. Xylem and phloem plays critical role in the survival and growth of the plants. Xylem is the vascular tissues for transport water and minerals from the roots to the leaves and other parts of the plants. This process is known as transpiration stream. Phloem is the responsible for transporting sugar, amino acids and other organic compounds produced by photosynthesis from the leaves to the rest of the plants. This process is known as translocation, and this is how xylem and phloem work together to keep the plants alive and thriving. Thank you.